If you receive any verification message such as verification failed or too many attempts, there's no need to worry. Want to register apps without using your personal SIM? Watch this video till the end. To create a TikTok account, first go to the Sign Up section and choose the phone number option. When you select the phone number option, you will see an interface like this. First, select your date of birth. After that, you will need a phone number. You can use a number from any country. In this example, I am using a USA number. To get the number, open the TrustOTP website. Here, search for the TikTok service and click on Get Code. As soon as you click on Get Code, you will instantly receive a phone number. Now copy this number. Go back to TikTok and paste the number here, then click on Get Code. Next, you will be asked to complete a verification step. Clear the reCAPTCHA shown on the screen and click Next. Once the CAPTCHA is completed, a timer will start, and TikTok will inform you that a verification code has been sent to this number. Now go back to the TrustOTP website. Here, you will see the verification code received. Copy this code and return to TikTok. Paste the code here to complete the verification. That's it. You can see how easily the TikTok account has been created using a USA number. Using the same method, you can create TikTok accounts with numbers from any country. If you have any questions or need help while using this website, 24/7 support is available. The website link and our Telegram community link are available in the description box. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.